Recording!
I float across the lonely ocean, blank stares, love potion. As days drift by the months, I'm slowly losing patience. Were you real or were you just my imagination? Good to be true turned out to be just a lie. Now thousands of forced laughs turn to a million hidden cries. I miss the days of excitement, of love and of sin. How the
Little kumi, we're here.
while your tide pulls
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Is that right?
Gusto mo ako na?
Huh? Yes, can you get it for the vlog, bro?
Ito mo, aesthetic part.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. Thumbnail.
Chicken?
No, yung pagtain.
Oh my god, there's a hammock. Do you remember the video? Nilagay kita sa hammock and then I just left you there.
Ayoko. No. Tingnan mo. Seryoso, tingnan mo lang.
Bakit? I need to hit the vlog, bro.
No. Check mo lang. Check mo lang. Saan mo na sandali? Tamo?
Chinky dog.
Hello.
Yeah!
Ate, no. Ate! Ito mo pinipicture yung duck.
Look, it's so zoomed. Whoa. Zoom it in.
Oh my days.
Oh, whoa, that's so... What are you doing?
It's dark.
Yeah, it's dark. So sad.
Oh, nakasilaw.
Bombastic sight.
Bro, there's no sun.
Nakasilaw yung
There's actually
the
no
sky.
We look alike. We don't look alike, bro.
We don't. Pareho ng silaw eh.
I'm just copying your face.
How dare you make fun of my Ma'am, stop it. No! Pumakat palalo.
It's so ballcat.
It's...
Ganun na lang yung, yung middle part. That might be better actually. Just one little hair strand in the middle.
No!
Kami. Hi, happy in here. Hindi siya nag-uusap na gano'n. Ayaw niya maglagla. Dito ako ngayon sa Rainbow Air. Dapat ganun.
Pagkakaroon.
The beauty of...
Ay, mawali. Nakita ko gumalaw. Nakita ko talaga gumalaw. Parang palikod. Hulog na ako kung di ako bumalik. Dito muna tayo ate. Break muna tayo. Naiwan niyo na kami.
Ako muna, bro.
Ako muna. Bago na kasi.
Bro, I just choked.
Bumalik ka dyan.
Teka. How long? Okay na siguro yan? Okay na, bro. They left us. Okay, show me here then.
Where's spiderweb? Ay! Seryoso spiderweb nga.
Seryoso, ano yun, jujok pa kami.
Takot ako dyan.
Takot ka dyan?
Yes, very much. Uy, may sira. Hoy. Bubog ba yan sa floor? Bubog ba yan? Tama ako sa bubog?
Bro, why are you so loud?
Nagtama ako sa bubog. My feet will explode, ate. Hindi mo makita eh.
Oo nga.
Nasa akin yung skin eh.
Ikaw na lang gumalaw, bale. Nakaganto lang ako.
Tripod ka nga lang.
Uy, sabi mo ako yung tripod mo. Tripod ka sa akin.
Oo.
Tama mo.
Bagal mo eh.
Sorry na!
You're stuck there.
Come here. Oh.
Paano ka? Alam mo, next time ka na namin sasama.
Kaya naman dito pero... Kaya tamad ako maglakad eh.
Sayang-saya.
Ibon.
That's a mob.
That's a bird. What if mahulog ko to?
You hate me. You hate me. Stop. Don't talk again. You hate the way I take my pictures.
Oh! Oh my God! Hulog siya.
Okay lang.
No, it's not, bro.
It's okay.
What's that? I'm zooming in on you. Dito ka?
Pag nahulog
Baba
ako.
ka nga dyan.
Bakit?
Actually, pag walang fake yan for real.
Awesome.
Look at how aesthetic, bro. No, stop, bro.
Come on.
Light falls on your face in the morning, and I don't wanna do anything heart soaring, and I'll call out of work for you. I'm a liar, and I don't wanna do anything but lie here.
Bring it up. Show your rock red.
Me and my eyes, so hypnotizing. I look back and you're smirking. Ain't it so surprising that our hands are clasping, our legs are touching, the air falls still around us. Throw on something quick before my heart combusts. And I just find this whole thing to be so silly. Can't come to comprehend having you. And I don't wanna do anything this morning. No, I don't wanna do anything at all. How I wish we could go back to where we had started. I'd like to believe we'd meet in another life. For I was far happier before you departed. I made a monster out of you from a monster inside. I'll wear your name, I'd still wear your name. I look at the bed and I remember your
Whoa, aesthetic shot.
Why does it look so good?
So good.
It's like a movie. The Frog.
The frog.
I think I need a new mattress, but the sight of our